Da, Madinartha Dolen Niverunik. The new year is almost upon us, so it's a good time to reflect on the past year and look forward to the next. Miarug Diski Mura Kernewek blithinus passias. I learned a lot of Cornish last year. Miara Diski Moi blithin o Tors. I'll learn more in the coming year. But for now, I'm off to Penzance to see my favourite band Hanterhir play in the new year at the Admiral Bembo. Grenny Moles the Penzance.
Da, Steve.
Da Ben.
Da, Steve. That beginners.
In point da Miraz. Grenny Moles G.
Pizzy, tam guitar marpleg. Whereas, Lev marpleg.
Onen, do. Onen, do. Onen, do.
Taboyo marpleg. Owa bath. Splan, Miraz.
Difta, a il Tessina LCD marpleg.
Dyna, Pure Star.
Taken Ovi.
Jason Ben. Easy. Dulsummer.
Mia rug gwelys Hanterhir lias gweith blithinus passes. Ha mia ra donsia merhane.
Put that.
Miraz.
Korev Ragpubonen.
Miraz.
Ah, did that taken?
Ah, Miraz, Steve.
Welcome, Osta.
Ah, Hunter was a unik you. Pris Daleth.
Delor.
Dalar.
Ah, well, Steve, Falaginis.
Delor, Andy.
Avanta Cavas Coreth.
Minev. Mirug Eva Mer blithinus passias. As Mirava Le blithin o Tors.
Mirag debris mer bleden as passis. Mis mira debris lay bleden utos. Gavim, Hanterhir u Paris. Well, Otany, Pimmanizan Mornegans. Then Bleden North. Miss Grains near Rocky against Hanterhir!
Difta. Hanterhir on E. And Gamma Euhenwis on Gomfort. With the Sufi Bobana, I met your busy outcomes.
Dalor. Are you getting this? Blethonus passius is last year, in the past. So we use mi'arug, which means I did. Blethono tors is this coming year, in the future. So we use mi'ara, which means I will. After both mi'arug and mi'ara, you just slot in any verb as you find it in the dictionary, and then you can talk about the past or the future. The examples we've had so far are mi'arug diski mer, I learned lots. Mi'arug eva mer, I drank a lot. Mi'arug dibri mer, I ate a lot. Mi'arug gweles Hanterhir lias gweith, I saw Hanterhir many times. Mi'ara diski moi, I'll learn more. Mi'ara eva le, I will drink less. Mi'ara dibri le, I will eat less. Mi'ara dansia mer haneth, I will dance a lot tonight.
Hanterhir! Agus a bledd nóta. Deg.
Blwyddyn newydd da, Tegan.
Ah, blwyddyn newydd da.
Beth yw dda newydd Palgosa, mi a ra Palgosa orthus.
Mi a Ramos yn bar, a fynd cafos cwrdd, Andy?
Minef.
Ha ti, Steve?
Na, fynnef.
Prag?
Wel, mi ar rhyw efo myr blwyddyn ys pasiers, mes mi ar efo le blwyddyn o tols.
Mi a rwg megi blwyddyn os pasiers, mes mi a ra heddi megi blwyddyn o tos.
Pris Delathota.
Gav ddim mi a ra mols lemon.
Otta ma Hanterhir, Otta!
And Gamma Ureg Tegan.
Let's have a recap of some of those past and future sentences we've come across. In the past. Mi arw efa myr. I drank lots. Andy arw dibri myr. Andy ate lots. Martin arw Maggie. Martin smoked. Tegan arw gwelys Hanterhir liasgwedd. Tegan saw Hanterhir many times. And in the future, mi ara efa le. I will drink less. Andy ara dibri le. Andy will eat less. Martin ara heddi Maggie. Martin will stop smoking. Tegan ara dansia myr. Tegan will dance a lot. Ben ara moslan bar. Ben will go to the bar. Martin ara pelgeusel or Tegan. Martin will phone Tegan. So that's Blwyddyn Newydd well and truly over. I hope you've made a New Year's resolution to learn a bit more Cornish. And if you haven't started yet, you can always log on to My Cornwall TV and watch the very first episode of Tam Ha Tam. Next month, we'll be going back over what we've learned in all the previous episodes and giving some ideas about how to take it further. Diwgenes, bis the Nesatral, Diwgenechwi.